Hi, we have to draw the structure of E1-chlorobute-1 in the E and Z system is used to name the alkanes. This system is based on the priority rules set by the Kahn, Ingold and Prelog. These rules are called CIP rules. As per these rules, higher the atomic number, so higher the ranking. Now, the strategy of the EZ system is to analyze the two groups at each end of the double bond and then rank these groups as per their atomic number. So suppose this is a given compound, A, B, C, D are the different groups bonded to the double bond. So if A has higher priority and B has lower priority, these two are compared and then these two. And similarly this C has higher and this D has lower. If higher priority groups are on the same side, then the name given to them